First, remove the 7 screws here. Note that there are 2 screws on the 2 sides of the casing that need to be removed. After all the screws are removed, we can take off the outer casing. The interfaces at both ends of the power supply are coated with red glue. Before replacing, it is necessary to remove the red glue and unplug the power cord at both ends. If the malar catalysts are damaged, also need to be replaced. Finally, don't forget to apply red glue to the interface. After replacing the module, we have installed the casing and conducted a power-on test.